Hello everyone and welcome back to N&M's Collectibles. Really excited for a really fun video today. In front of you is the brand new era of Pokemon. The Scarlet and Violet set is here. What we have today is a sealed 36-pack booster box. Really excited for this. With every new set that comes out, we always try to rip a full box or two. At least for now, we're going to start with just one, but we've already kind of done the pre-release video. We know the silver borders are on the cards. We know there's a holo in every pack. The new era of Pokemon is really taking off here, and we're really excited for this. We've also seen some videos that have gotten us excited of folks opening up boxes here, and it seems like the pull rates have been awesome. So let's hope we have that box here with us today. We can hit some awesome pulls, and again, let's dive into the brand new set of Pokemon Scarlet and Violet here. Base set. This is a whole new era. Let's dive right in. So let's get this. Got the wrap there. As always, we appreciate everybody tuning into our channel here. As always, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. For those that have, we appreciate the support. We're having a lot of fun doing this, so hopefully something we're going to be able to continue to do. So we're going to drop that in just like that. And there we have it, folks. So just like in the pre-release, 4 different pack arts here. We have the Gyarados, Miraidon, your starter Pokemon for the new game, and Koraidon. So pretty cool there. That's all of our 4-pack artworks here. We'll push these back a little bit. So we'll start with these 4 packs first. Again, 36 packs, normal booster box here. Here we go. Let's get right into this. So our first pack here, and for those that watch the videos know that sometimes I struggle opening these packs. So we shall see. We're pretty sure the white code cards don't mean anything in this series because again every pack has a holo. And I believe the pack trick is now one card to the front there. That's our energy. Here we go, folks. Our first pack from our booster box. Lechonk, Starly. There's a starter. Toadstool, our reverse Slowpoke. So again, just like in the pre-release, love the look of these reverse cards. Pokemon has really done a nice job. There we go. And we first pack just as a normal holo. So this is what the normal holos look like. Not much to it there, but great start there. We'll put those to the side. Pack number 2. All right, so code card. I'll try to do a good job at showing the codes for those who watch our videos and use it. Here we go. Energy Search, Grimer. And again, for those that Arvin have watched our videos, I cannot pronounce every word or all these Pokemon names, so that's why I skipped through some of them. Rotom Reverse. Okay, Palpad Reverse. And an Indeed. That's just a normal holo again. Okay? Let's see if our Koraidon pack can get us our first major hit here. Code. 1 card. Oh, I think something is in this pack. Basic Energy. Houndour. Magikarp. Toadstool, we've seen him. Okay, a reverse. Another reverse. And nothing. So, the shine got me there. Miraidon, just normal holo here. So far, 3 normal holos. We're looking for art rares, double art rares, secret art rares, ultra rares. The Pokemon Company has really switched it up with this new set here. So giving a lot of people opportunities to chase different cards, different rarities here. So here we go. Cacturn, Mezagaza, Grimer, reverse. Oh, well, there's two reverses there. The Grimer was a reverse. Quaqualava, regular hollow. So, okay, well, not the best start to our box here. 4 packs in, just 4 normal hollows. Hopefully that means the rest of this box is loaded. All right, code card. Here, I'm seeing on the back here, look at it. I'm going to zoom in here. Good thing that's not a rare here in one of the first cards there, but Pokemon pack, you know, quality control here. Yeah, there's that Magnemite. It's pretty rough there. Hopefully that's just a one-off thing. Launcher, Toxtricity, Kirua, Shuppet, King Gambit, regular hollow. All right, come on. Where are the hits at? Where are the hits at? Drop us a comment there if you're planning to open up anything here in the new set. What cards are you chasing? There is a... Oh, yeah, there. I put the code card over. There is a heck of a lot of new stuff in here. Mareep, so Bisharp. Oh, cool. So we hit the Miraidon reverse. And Professor's Research regular hollow. Well, the videos that I've seen online, pull rates started off better. Again, hopefully that just means everything's hidden here in the middle of the box. Always got to have that positive attitude here. All right, Energy, Skidoo, Quaxley, Florius, Muck. That's a pretty cool Houndoom reverse. Whew, a regular, another hollow here. All right, we need to get some magic here going. Here's our code card. So we'll try to start picking up the place. Rioli, Go-Goat, Scatterbug, Shuppet, Nest Ball, Picnic Basket. Oh, there we go, folks. There's still something behind it. We got a Rev Room hollow. Oh, yes. There is our first hit of the box. You can see the double gold star down there. Iron Treads EX. That is, we'll put that in a penny sleeve. Oh, man, that card is awesome. Awesome artwork there. Centering on the back here is pretty good. That is really cool. So there's our first hit, a full art EX. I'm not sure if they're calling them full arts or whatnot, but at least that is what we did in the Sword and Shield era. There we go. Now we're ready to really start pulling some heat here. Code card. Oop. Let's get 2 there. Lechonk, Starly. We have not pulled a card from the Ultimate Rare set. I felt something on the back here. Look at it. Wow. I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera, but this card has a major scratch in it. So it looks like Pokemon has brought over the quality control, unfortunately, from the last era. Hopefully, Penny. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, our first art rare. And, oh, a double banger pack here. We got the Iron Treads EX. Look at that. That is really cool. And then our first art rare card there. Let me zoom in a little bit there. Pretty cool. Okay, so there's 2 in a row. Iron Shreds. Really like the design and pattern on this card. I mean, in the light, that is just really cool. Okay, we're starting to heat up a little bit here. That's what we were hoping for. Let's see if we can keep this run going. Code card. Man, some of these cards coming out of these packs are not in the best condition. That's disappointing. Hypno, Beach Court, Tropius Reverse. And we're back to our regular holo there. Okay. The packs of this generation also seem to be pretty high quality, so it looks like they've increased that. But I'm still seeing some damage on these cards, unfortunately. Luckily, so far, they've all just been the base cards or the first card in the pack. Mankey, Torkoal, Breloom, Rotom Reverse. Oh, Iron Shreds is apparently this is the Iron Shreds box. Oh, man, another full art EX hit here. Wow. In our last 4 packs, we have basically pulled the Iron Shreds family here. The regular EX. And so I'll show you the difference here. These are two Black Star rarity, 2 Gold Star rarity there. Pretty cool there. I'm not sure if there's any more Iron Shreds in this set, but I feel like we've pulled them. That is really cool. I think my brother will be happy with those cards, as I think that's one of the Pokemon he is planning to try and collect here in the new set. Magikarp, Magnemite, Sandaconda, Staraptor, Energy Switch, Fuecoco, and a Cloth regular holo. Code card. Okay. Energy. Greedent, Crocodile, Naoma, and a regular holo there. Wouldn't mind seeing a couple more pulls out of the art rare set. Definitely some cool design cards in there. Again, I do like the quality the packs are. Here. Basic Energy, Pokemon Catcher, Rotom. Okay, Ralts Reverse, regular holo. So I personally like that you get a regular holo in every pack. You know, it's never fun opening a pack and not having anything in there. Like that has been in the past. But I'm sure these regular holos are not going to carry a ton of value with them. Basic Energy. I'll move my pile over a little. Totoschool. Chansey, one of my favorite Pokemon. Flamingo. Fortress. Rocky Helmet. Our 2 reverses. And I think we've seen this card already. All right, we're getting close here. Just make sure that's okay. Getting close here to the halfway point on our box. Again, I think our intentions, we might open up another box here in the future, but definitely a couple booster boxes. We do have some ETBs, some sleeve packs. Again, we kind of want to experience all the new products in this era. These are 2 reverses. Nothing there. So, based on videos that I've already seen release on this, our box still has a long way to go here, but I think we still have quite a few hits in our future here. Spirit Tomb, Primate, oh, Skeletorge, regular Hollow. That's pretty cool. So in the games, Fuecoco was my starter. I've always been a fire starter guy. Obviously, going back to base set, as Charizard is my favorite Pokemon. Always has been to collect him. Code. All right, come on. We gotta have something coming up here, right? Shroomish, Mankey, Flaffy, Vroom. Oh, I skipped it. Yeah, the dark ones are kind of hard to see the reverses. And another regular Hollow, Annihilate. Okay. That was definitely a couple cold packs in a row. Come on, let's pull something. Let's pull something serious here. Miriam trainer card would be awesome, as that seems to be the highest value card currently. Arvin, Starly. Okay, we have our second EX. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but Oinkoloin. We'll go with that. I do like the pattern on these regular EXs. That is pretty cool. Okay, last pack from this half here. It's always been one of my more favorite things about opening Pokemon is you do get quite a bit of packs in a booster box. So obviously not everything is going to have an awesome pull in it, but you do get a good quantity of packs to rip. We've ripped sports cards in the past, and it's all or nothing. King Gambit. I would love the alternate or art rare card of him. Electric Generator. Professor's Research. Regular Hollow. Koraidon, second half of the box. Here we go. Again, if you're enjoying these kind of videos, we always appreciate the support. Leave us a like. Subscribe to our channel. We've been having a lot of fun making content and just kind of, I guess, recording what we've been opening lately. Switch. Fuecoco. Defiance Band. Hypno. Peach Cord. Whew. Toxicroak. Our pull rates have been a little tough here, though. Little tough. Hopefully we can really turn the corner here. So we are not pulling much of anything. Maybe. Okay. Ooh, we do have an Arcanine EX. This one is a little different. Kind of cool with the pattern and flow there. That's our third EX pull. Bring that up there. So I'll bring this card back. See how this one's got the shine there, and this is I do like the Arcanine though. I like the around the borders there. Both are a double Black Star rarity. We move forward. All right, code card. See if we can pick up the pull rates here. Oh, 2 cards. Pokeball, Rotom. Again, would love to see some more pulls from the art rare set. Sandaconda. Staraptor. Hypno Reverse. Oh! Oh, wow. We just pulled a gold triple star Koraidon EX. There is what we're looking for, folks. Let me get him in his sleeve here real quick, and we'll inspect him a little bit further. Awesome. Centering is okay. A little bit thicker on the top there than the bottom. Back is kind of the same way. Definitely a little thicker on the top than the bottom there, but side to side is pretty good. That card is awesome. So in our first box, we do hit a gold secret rare or triple star rarity. I don't exactly know what to call that, but that is, we're very happy with that. I got my pile of cards here getting a little crazy. And we still have a good chunk of packs left here. So let's see what we can get here. All right, basic energy. Rotom. Muck. Bishop. And we're back to our regular hollows. Again, did I move the energy? Nope. There we go. Always like trying to do the Patricks. 2 cards again. My apologies there. Been a little rusty. Ralts, Growlth, Shuppet, Electric Generator, Judge, Arvin Reverse, Professor's Research. We've seen that card already. There is a Gyarados in the set I would love to have. It's kind of, I'm assuming it's like a secret rare. Chansey, rare candy. Spirit Tomb. Oh, cool, another Skeldridge. Hollow. Be able to put that in our trade pile there. It's one of my brother's favorite Pokemon from the new era, so hopefully I'll be able to trade him for that. Code card. So really the only thing we haven't pulled much of is from the Art Rare set. Would love to see a couple more hits at least in these final packs. Catcher. Okay, we got the Great Tusk EX pull there. And these EX cards are pretty cool. Basic energy. Fuecoco, my starter. There's still no art rares. Oh, we got a full art trainer here though. Professor's Research. Pretty cool. I also think if those watching are fans of PokeRev and his channel, I think this guy and this card looks a lot like PokeRev. Another hit, though. We'll take it. The hits are starting to add up. Come on. We got to get... We just need some cards from the Art Rare checklist now. That's really what I'm hoping for. Rioli, Magneton. Flaffy. Not in this pack. Ooh, we did hit the Koraidon regular hollow. So I think we have the Koraidon regular hollow and the Miraidon regular hollow. Code card there. Give me an art rare. Give me a card from the art rare set. Ralph, Breloom. I don't know that name. Pretty cool reverse there. Oh, there we go. There's from our art rare, Rioli. Another Annihilate there. Sweet. That's what we were hoping for. And that has just a single gold star, it looks like. So again, Pokemon's got all new rarity. 6 packs to go. All new rarities. It's going to take a little time to figure everything out. I think we've hit a pretty decent variety, though, of all the rarities. Code. Basic Energy. Blissey. Okay. And a regular Reverum Hollow. 5 packs. There we go. I've said this a few times in this video. You can definitely feel the quality of the packs have increased here and gone up. Ralts. Pokegear 3.0. We've seen that card. Flamingo. Reverse. Reverse. Slowbro Hollow. 4 packs. Come on. Let's see if we can pull 1 or 2 more things out of here. That, I feel like that would be a pretty good box. Okay. Houndoom. So, Armarouge Hollow. I don't think we've seen that one yet. 3 packs to go in our booster box. Again, this is our first full booster box opening. All we've opened so far from the Scarlet and Violet base set is the pre-release kits that we were able to acquire. Wiglet, Rocky Helmet, Miriam. Would love a Miriam in this pack. Nope. 2 packs to go. Come on. Let's get one more in here, and then we'll do a quick recap of our major hits. Spirito. Penny. Man, tough. Tough, tough, tough. Last pack. Can we get some last pack mojo? Can we get some last pack mojo? All right, take us home here. Spiritomb, Ultra Ball. First reverse. Second reverse. Oh, we did pull a second EX there. I think we've already pulled that. Well, all in all, let's do a quick recap here. Our first box of everything. We got a Oinkoloing, I think we said, EX. Rioli, Art Rare. We got a Professor's Research Full Art. Great Tux EX. This is maybe our best hit of the box. A Koraidon EX Gold. Really cool card there. We did hit the Arcanine EX that has a little bit of the different texture. There's our second Oinkoloing we talked about. So, and then we did go on the Iron Threads box, or excuse me, Iron Shreds box. Pretty cool full art there. I think this is kind of supposed to be like the alternate art equivalent of that. His EX, and then our other Art Rare card. Disappointed we couldn't pull more from the Art Rare set, but all in all, I still think was a pretty good box, and we hope you enjoyed this video. As always, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all the support, and until next time, have a great day.